Namaste. Today I am introducing you Chandra Kriya. Chandra means his moon. Kriya means some practice with pran to moving body side to side. How it looks, I am quickly demonstrating you. You inhale. So you inhale, raise arms up, and then exhale, going side. So that Kriya is called Chandra Kriya. Chandra Kriya means the moon practice to activate your moon energy in you. What's the benefit of Chandra Kriya? First is very simple and is so good for removing extra weight, extra chapati from your side. Really good for your spine. Preventing scoliosis is really good for your lungs. You're opening your lungs one by one at a time. It is really good for increasing blood circulation in your whole body. It's so good to grounding you, calming you. It is really good for your lymph nodes as well. And release the tension from the shoulders. It's so simple. It has so many benefits. Now, how long you should be doing your Chandra Kriya practice? You start with 1 minute and go for 3 minutes. After Chandra Kriya, there is many combinations. Always after Surya Namaskar Asana, you must be doing Chandra Kriya practice to balance your solar energy. Chandra Kriya you can use in your asanas practice. Like for example, you're doing side to side Chandra Kriya, then you are folding forward. Prastuttanasana. So you can use your Chandra Kriya in many ways. Now, precautions and common mistakes. Precautions is here if you're having a shoulder joints problem or elbows or tight shoulder. Instead of raising arms up, you keep palms on your head. So then you do side to side instead of going this. So what is the common mistake? Common mistake for Chandra Kriya, usually sometime people open feet outside. No, just slightly open feet, hip distance wide, and keep them strong. Second common mistake is when they are going side to side, they start to bending knees in and out. So that is not that one. Keep firm your legs. Third common mistake, they move the pelvis side to side too much, and it's not about just moving pelvis side to side. Your whole body is going side to side. Third common mistake is when we're going up, so shoulders goes so high and neck is become shorter. So keep shoulders relaxed and make a long arms. These are the common mistake for Chandra Kriya. Now, how to do Chandra Kriya? You do 1 minute to 3 minutes. Let's start with about 1 minute. Let's grounding your feet. Spread your toes. Lift your crown. Grande smile. Eyes closed for a moment and longer breathing. Prepare your body and mind for Chandra Kriya. Next inhale, let's raise arms up and start with your right side. Inhale, come into center. Hold breath in, little bit more lift, little bit more inhale. Now exhale, bring arms down, sideways, eyes closed. Happy, longer breathing in your whole body. And just feel lots of tingling sensation happening all over your body, happening left side, right side, activating your left side and right side, activating lunar and solar energy is so good for you, grounding, calming, relaxing, but same time really good for loosening the weight from the side of your body. Now take a long, happy breath in and exhale. Softly open your eyes, big smile. Namaste. Have a beautiful, happy day. Hari Om Tat Sat.